A wheel set onto a 2436. The wheel set should come with this plate assembled onto this bracket. This is the steering wheel. It's going to go onto the tailstock end. I'm just going to make these finger tight, but you of course should tighten them down with a wrench. They stay on the lathe, they're mounted permanent. Okay, now to the other end. Okay, turn it off. On the headstock end there's two wheels. They'll both be the same. Doesn't matter which one goes on which side. This one's a little harder because, well, there's just not as much finger room for stuff, but we'll see what we can do. I find it easier if you remove this and let the wheel flop down as far out of the way as you can. Okay, so we're going to take the nuts off. And of course you're going to tighten these down. We'll just leave them finger tight for this. And both wheels go on the same way, so I'm just going to put the other wheel on the other side the same way. Okay, now it's time to lift up the lathe and put the wheels down. The lifting bar should fit underneath the machine. If it doesn't, you might have to pick it up a little bit and put it on the corner. Always pick up the headstock end first. Put the lever all the way down and slide the safety latch forward. Once that latch is in place, you should be able to let go of the bar and it won't flop up. I find it easier to put the T-nut on if I just shove it over and get it started nice and square. I also find it better to put the wing nut to the inside because it doesn't stick out and there's less chance you're going to scrape your ankle on it if you accidentally walk by it. Pull the safety latch back and let the lathe down. Yep. On the tailstock end, it works best if you lift it up from the inside. Again, slide the safety latch forward and it should just stay in place. That's it. The wheels are on the machine and it's ready to go.